Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are you today? I hope you're all doing good and great. So today I am back with another amazing video footage of a young boy who become a sensation in many platforms of social media right now. So before we dive into the video, I would like to give out some credits. So SA Livecom, Sa Livecom, King Chillies Entertainment, and the Tangkhul Express, thank you to your channel and to the team for making this video available on this platform, which I am going to use right now, and I believe that this will be considered as a fair use. And Master Songayai Chahongnao, I am your fan. If you are watching this, I am your fan, and you sing so well, which is why I am here today to react to the song which you have delivered, amazingly. And also the one and only Moko Koza for showing your love and support to Master Songayai Chahongnao. Thank you very much, and also for composing this amazing song. We all love it, right? We all love it. There are so many fans out here. I am also one among your fans, so thank you. So first we will watch a little bit video footage of Songayai Chahongnao, which he already had performed in Zingdun, right? Zingdun Got Talent some weeks back. So we will dive into the video. Let's react together and watch and comment down below what you think of this Master Songayai Chahongnao, about his talent, and maybe predict his future. Alright, let's watch together. Okay, let's go.
Come on.
Yeah, ready.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Come on.
Asayami ekta nakamanu chokora. Ti bloko himataun chono mola chaga. Amala ka bed para ola pole time te. Nakamanu kuntu bukikina ola shay. Got kote chai ase sop manu pai koka. Wakan nakamaiki kan ke pishi mon kunasa. Sabji bal kable mon chokate. Ahipi kilai dibo amikan. Basenga akuni sai sabi kun para aise. Sop kelela bole mak someday itu kana
so
unikino
cute,
sop
right? The way
manu
he walks
ahipi.
around.
Dikai dibo amikan
So
nakamanu ki ase pahar manu kiki kobi itu moy najane boy ki kai kina laki chai mata khati kina manu asade boy kana kamanu kambi continue de nagamanu hui nagamanu ki kwa naga ami nagamanu asade nagamanu hui
Okay,
nagamanu.
we are going to stop here about this footage. We will watch the other video in full, which he recently performed in Ringui's Got Talent with the original artist, the one and only Moko Koza. Are you ready, guys? So let's have fun. Let's watch. I love his confidence, by the way. He's so good. Okay. Hey.
Check. Where my Naga people at? Let me see those hands up.
Naga people here also.
Hey,
Let's go.
ready? I say I'm the Naga Manu Chokora. The block of him down, John Mola Jaga. I'm a laga pet para ola bole time day. Naga Manu Kundu, Mukikina ola shake. Got a chai as a soft manu biko kai. Moikan laga Mikey
The dress looks alike. That is amazing, and I believe that they didn't practice at all. I believe they just met on the stage, and I feel like they just performed by the request of the band. Wow, I love it. Am I the only one shaking my, head and listening? This is so cool, amazing. Love man, love the spirit of Moko Koza. This is amazing, man.
Nagamano chokora. Rasta lokpabo muke kini take pokora. Ai take ajikali itu babana. Nagale folk rice koi matukane jagara. Isakane kiriya se muka nagamano kasa. Mukto mitaw ile bihat na dikaika. Election time ahile to sok manu malama.
He is such a young boy, and listen how confident he is with the lyrics and rapping, everything, right? Performance, so good. The fans are crazy. Fans of Songayai Chahongnao and Moko Koza, they are crazy out here. Wow, he took off phone to see I actually want to know what Moko Koza, will say about this boy. Like any comment for him, or like I don't know, any kind of advice or piece of advice, I think, right? From Moko Koza. It would be lovely to see this. The fans are crazy, putting up the live shaking, dancing. Wow! Nagamano hui! Nagamano hui! Aminaka, I can get it. Yeah. Wow, that is so amazing. Also, what do you think, guys? What is your thought about that, or about the boy Songayai Chahongnao? He is just 10 years of age, but he is so confident in performing and in delivering such a very tough song. That is amazing. And Songayai na hiyang dalay ka Songayai kijang kade na yang ngay na yang noi fan sa kang sa da kle ni itum da jen na matalay na sa walak lo atam ngi jita itum na la kita support sa ko hi tha platform wa pong ngay na ya jen Songayai na and all the best in your future, right? And Moko Koza, you're amazing. Performing together with a young boy, that is so cool. So good of you, and that is so amazing. So thank you for making his dream come true. He is a great fan of yours, so that is so amazing, right? That is so amazing. So I believe he will follow up to your football. So that is so amazing. So guys, comment down below what you think about all this performance, and let them also know, right? I will leave the original video, the channel is under the description. Check it out, and not forgetting Mr. Songayai's newly opened YouTube channel. So check it out and hit the button subscribe for him. And subscribing to this channel would be mind-blowing, right? So thank you everyone for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So we will meet again in the next video. Stay tuned. So bye bye.